Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Dream Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I know your name, ma'am?
Sure, it's Angela Hako.
Okay, ma'am. Can you give me a minute to confirm your reservation? Okay, ma'am, your reservation is confirmed. This way, please. This will be all right for you, ma'am?
Yes, it is perfect.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I lay your napkin?
Yes, sure.
Would you like to have a cold water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your cold water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to have some bread?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Enjoy eating, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to present to you our menu for your selection. I suggest to you our best-selling dish. I will take your order whenever you're ready. May I take your order, ma'am?
I want to take all your suggestions.
Thank you, ma'am. May I take your order? French onion soup, Caesar salad, red wine, bagnet kare-kare, and leche flan. Will that be all, ma'am?
Yes, that will be all.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will serve in 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. May I get the menu?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your French onion soup?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I take your plate?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your Caesar salad?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I take your plate?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to introduce to you our red wine. I should open the bottle for you, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Do you have some more, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I clear your plate?
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. How about your red wine? Can I clear your glass?
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Near the desk?
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your lecture plan for dessert.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your black coffee.
Thank you.
Here's your bill, ma'am. I received the amount of 1,500. Please wait for your receipt.
Okay.
Here's your receipt, ma'am. Thank you for coming to the restaurant. I hope to see you again.